Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stop Steam VR games from crashing. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen and click on Library. This will take you to your game collection, where you can manage all your installed titles. Now, find the VR game that's been giving you trouble and right-click on it. From the menu that appears, select Properties. This will open up a new window with various settings and options specifically for that game. In the Properties window, navigate to enable the Steam overlay while in-game and toggle it off. Turning off the Steam overlay can actually help resolve crashing issues because it reduces the number of processes running simultaneously while your VR game is active. This simple change often makes a big difference in stability. Next, navigate to Launch Options. Below it, you'll see a text field where you can enter specific commands. In this field, type -DX11. This forces your game to run using DirectX 11, which is more stable for many VR titles and can prevent crashes caused by graphics compatibility issues. Now, in the left sidebar, click on Installed Files. This section contains important tools for maintaining your game's integrity. Once you're there, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now check your game files and automatically replace any corrupted or missing files that might be causing the crashes. This process usually takes a few minutes depending on the size of your game, so just be patient while it completes. If you're still experiencing crashes after trying these steps, you'll need to run Steam as administrator. To do this, first click on Steam in the upper left corner, then select Exit to close the application completely. Once Steam is closed, locate the Steam icon on your desktop or in your Programs folder, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Running Steam with elevated permissions can resolve many permission-related crashes that occur with VR games. Finally, it's crucial to update your GPU drivers. Outdated graphics drivers are one of the most common causes of VR crashes. Head to your graphics card manufacturer's website, whether that's Nvidia, AMD, or Intel. Download the latest drivers for your specific card and install them. After the driver update completes, restart your PC. This fresh start with updated drivers will give your VR games the best chance to run smoothly without crashes. And that's it. You've addressed the most common causes of Steam VR crashes, and your games should now run much more smoothly. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.